There are a bunch of backpacks out there, but Hyper is a new brand to enter the ring. They're known for their charging solutions and hubs for MacBooks, but they just announced the tech-focused HyperPack Pro. It has just about anything you could ask for in a backpack. I've had it for a few weeks now, and they sponsored this video to give you a closer look at what makes this backpack so great, and a perfect fit for anyone in the Apple ecosystem. To start off, one of the headline features of the HyperPack is the built-in Find My support. The Find My network is an incredibly useful tool to keep track of your items, and if you're carrying around a laptop and other tech in your bag, it's important to keep track of it. The HyperPack has that support built in, with a location module at the top of the bag. Setting it up is just a few clicks from right inside the Find My app. Then you'll get away alerts, in case you leave it behind, and the ability to play audible chirps from the bag to nail down its exact location, in addition to its location being updated on the map. Of course, the location module is water resistant. Whenever the battery does run low, it's super easy to pop out the coin cell battery and put in a replacement. While that Find My support is the only actual electronic part in the backpack, the whole thing is thought out to fit and keep your tech all charged. There's a big laptop compartment at the back. I can fit laptops up to 16 inches, so any MacBook you have won't be a problem. The laptop section is padded on all sides to keep your laptop safe from any incidental drops. Right beside that, there's a slightly smaller section. That section is perfect for an iPad, but it's large enough you can even fit another, slightly smaller laptop in there, like the M2 MacBook Air, if you happen to be carrying around two laptops for whatever reason. Also, notice at the top, you have a slot into another compartment. That lets you cable route from a dedicated battery compartment so you can keep your laptop charged up while on the go. Moving on to the next big compartment, they call this one the catch-all compartment. And I have to say that's a pretty fitting description. In here, you have lots of room to work with for whatever you may need to carry. This is where most of the backpack's 22-liter volume comes in. There are two zipped mesh pockets in here and another sleeve, but it has room for you to throw in books, headphones, or whatever else you may need. There are also two more of those charging pass-throughs, one going to the laptop compartment and one going to the next compartment, what Hyper refers to as the Tech Organization Pocket. There is a ton going on in this compartment, so bear with me. Right up top, you have a zipped RFID blocking sleeve, so if you have any RFID items you want to make sure can't be scanned, that's the place to put them. Below there, the orange-topped pockets are the perfect size for a phone or wallet. And below that, you have two pockets that are perfect for AirPods. There's even routing along the side of the pocket to get the cable up to the AirPods without it getting in the way. At the very bottom of the compartment, there's another mesh zipped pocket that's perfect to put a large battery bank like their 245-watt HyperJuice battery pack. From there, you can route your necessary cables to the three big compartments and even to the outside of the backpack. That routing section is pretty nice as it exits right into one of the smaller side pockets, which has a dedicated pouch for a MagSafe charger. That lets you put the phone into the pocket and the MagSafe puck will snap to it and automatically start charging your phone. That pocket's on the right side of the backpack, and on the left, you've got a water bottle pocket big enough to hold 1-liter water bottles. It has 3 more compartments though. On the back, there's a zipper running straight down, and you have a large compartment in there. It's perfect for quick access to something a bit bulky, like a rain jacket. Above there, the HyperPack has a smaller, dedicated sunglasses pocket with a soft microfiber lining to keep them from getting scratched or damaged. The final compartment is, by design, a bit more hidden. It's actually against your lower back while you're wearing it. Once you take it off, you have access to that hidden lumbar compartment, which would be perfect for keeping something hidden while traveling, like your passport. Hyper has given an impressive amount of thought to the things people want out of their backpack. I didn't even get into a lot of the smaller details with the HyperPack, like the luggage pass-through to make travel easier, and the so important water resistance, both of the zippers and the fabric. It very quickly became my favorite backpack. Once it officially launches, the backpack will be $200,